You just tell me when you're ready.
Let's try it.
Okay. Take your time though.
Oh, here we go.
Okay. You missed. He's just up and to the right. He's up and to the right. Standing there.
How bad did I miss?
It looked low. Give it one more click. Or maybe two. Okay, he's just feeding, but he's right there still. Huh?
He's feeding.
Well, he's just up a little bit and to the right.
Okay, we gotta find him again.
Yep.
There's a tree. Okay, tree.
He's kind of behind those trees. He didn't go more than like 10 yards.
Oh man.
He's kind of behind some trees.
Did he move up or just straight across?
Well, up just a touch. So those rocks, he's still right underneath them, just further to the right. There he is. There he is moving.
Oh, there he is.
Okay, wait till he stops. And let him have it. Yep. Oh, hi.
Just gotta keep on him.